Hi, boys and girls. So today we are going to learn about long vowels in a word. So when you see a vowel, how do you know if it's long or short? Remember, the short sound is like a, I, ah. The long sound is just its name, A, E, I, O, U. To figure out if it's going to be long or short, we're going to do a little bit of math. That just means counting the vowels. So I want you to look at this first word right here. Okay, can you see how many vowels there are? Let's count them. Right, one, because we have an O. So you know what to do, right? If we just have one vowel, we just mark it with a smile. So you just go right like this, and then you can sound it out. Go ahead and sound that out. What is it? Right? Hop. Good. Hop. Good. All right. Now, there's something else that we're going to look at here. I want you to count the vowels and see how many there are in this word. Right here. Yeah, there are two vowels, the O and the E. So there's a little rule when there are two vowels in a word. So this rule says when there are two vowels in a word, the first one says it's long sound and the second one is silent. Okay, so let's try that together, okay? When there are two vowels in a word, the first one says it's long sound and the second one is silent. All right, one more time because you know I like to do things 3 times. So let's say it again. So this is a 2-vowel rule. When there are two vowels in a word, the first one says it's long sound and the second one is silent. So, do you remember that I told you a long vowel is marked with a long stick? All right, so we're gonna look at this word right here. So, count the vowels again. Right, there are 2. So, when we have 2 vowels, the first one is long. That's what your rule says. The first one says it's long sound and the second one is silent. So we're going to X out that E because it's the second one and we're not even going to say it. So when we sound it out, it's going to sound a little different than hop. Okay, it's going to say oh, 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 ho, 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 hope. Like, I hope I get to see you on Zoom for show and tell tomorrow. You didn't even say the E because when you cross it out, you don't even say it. Just nothing. Nothing comes out of your mouth. Just ignore it. Don't say it. Okay? So we're going to try this again. So let's go back to this one right here. How many vowels are there? Right, 1. So what do we mark it with? A smile. That's right. So we're just going to put a little smile over this. And then we're going to go to the next one. Actually, I guess you should probably read that one to yourself. Right, mad. Like, I was so mad when I stepped in the puddle. Mad. All right, now, let's look at this one right here. How many vowels are there? Count them. Good, yep. A and E. Right, our 2-vowel rule says when there are 2 vowels in a word, the first one says it's long sound and the second one is silent. So we cross it off. Now we're going to sound it out. Ah, ah. Oh, I said that wrong. Let's try that again. A, a, may, d, made. Like I made my bed, made. Okay, we're going to keep going. Again, I want you to look down here in the green. And how many vowels do you see? 1. So we mark the I with a little smile. Can you see that? Good. I'm going to kind of set it right here. All right, then look at the second one. How many vowels do you see? Good. There's 2 because you have an I and an E. So the first one, what do we do to the first one? Well, just look back up here. See what we did up there? The first one, we just put a stick over it, right? Yes. And the second one, it's silent. So we mark it off and we're not even going to say it. So let's do this one with the short vowel and then we'll do this one with the long vowel. Ready? You can do that one on your own. So what is it? Rip. Good. Now, I'll try to get it right this time. Long I says I. So I, I. Rye, rye, p, ripe, ripe. Like the banana is ripe. That means it's ready to be eaten. Okay, good job. So in a little bit, I'll have another video with some more words. All right, good job, everyone.